Morning, we are leaving the Spring Hill Suites in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. They don't have pre-made sandwiches, so we had to make our own stuff. Bagel and cream cheese. I'm gonna chew on it so you know it's not fake. There's a storm coming through at 6 a.m. today at 6:50. It has not started yet. But we also have not left the parking lot because I'm eating. But hopefully we will have missed, or we will have beat some of the storm, because we've seen a lot of snow on this trip, and I think it's because of the acorns. As Richard Vickers' grandma always said, if you see acorns in the fall, it'll be a cold winter. Hi, Richard. Storm starts at 9 a.m. Central Iowa. Well, it's 8 a.m. Guess we're not in the storm yet. Sign. Oh, wait. We got the nice sign over there. We got the real state line sign, and then we got the, hey, welcome.
Misery welcome.
Take your snow with you. We're east of Kansas City. We just finished lunch. It's 2 o'clock. Just finished lunch up in our bread. And are on I-70 and are on our way to St. Louis. It's a beautiful day if you like cold, wet, sucky weather.
St. Louis Eye is working.
St. Louis Eye. We are arriving in downtown St. Louis on our way back east. We're going to stay here overnight because we're leaving here tomorrow morning. We will be checking out the Gateway Arch as well as our hotel. But they didn't hear it as in a quarter of a mile. Exit left.
Let's exit left. Right next to the stadium.
Tomorrow is another driving day, but not until after we visit the Gateway Arch. So check back to the channel for the next video on our winter road trip series, where we visit the Gateway Arch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit like if you liked my video.